Alright, so for the stick welding, I'm going to run it right here. I'm going to start off with the, I'm not worried about cleaning that little slag up right there, but I'm going to go ahead and run me, start off at 114 amps, 115, and I'm going to go with the 1/8 inch and see how it does. So now that I'm hooked up to the 220 with it, let's see how she does. Alright, so it was running good. I know the slag makes it look like it's burning too hot, but keep in mind the metal's thin. But it was sticking, so I'm going to turn it up to 130 amps, see how she does. Alright, so there's 1/8 inch rod. I burned a hell of a lot better. Now these are like, oh, these are actually Excaliburs I got out of that box. Okay, well, let's use the little poopy rod. This rod's like, it's got to be at least like 6 or 7 years old, and I ain't baked it, well, I did bake it in the oven about 3 years ago because I had issues with the welder, but it's still going. So, you know, this thing's been sitting out in the garage for a minute. So let's clean this up and see how she does. Okay, so that's running pretty darn hot. You know, I mean, that is super thin metal, you know, but that ain't bad for a little cheapie. So now I'm going to run it with the, this is an 1/8 inch straight up cheapie, 7018. Let's see how she does. But I'm going to do no new video with it.